In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change Update Docusign Signature. By the end, you'll have your new Docusign signature set up and saved, ready to use the next time you sign. First, log into Docusign. On your screen, enter your credentials and sign in as you normally would. Wait for your account dashboard to load before moving on, so the profile options are fully available. Next, click your profile icon in the top right. This is the small avatar or initials circle. If you don't see it immediately, move your mouse to the upper right corner of the page and it will be there. Click once to open the account menu. Click Manage Profile. This opens your account profile page in a new view. Give it a moment to load. You'll see several tabs or sections you can configure from here. We're going to the area that controls your stored signing styles. Select Signatures. Click the Signatures tab or section to display the signature assets saved to your account. You should see your current signature listed here. This is what Docusign uses whenever you place a signature on a document. Click Edit on your signature. Hover over your existing signature and choose Edit. This opens the signature editor. You're not changing any documents here, only the appearance of your saved signature, so it's safe to proceed. Draw, type, or upload a new signature. You'll see three options. Draw lets you hand draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus. Or click Draw, then hold and drag to write your name. If you make a mistake, use Clear and try again until it looks right. Type lets you enter your name and choose from a set of script styles. Click Type. Type your name exactly as you want it to appear and cycle through the available fonts until you find one that's clear and professional. Upload lets you add an image of your handwritten signature. Click Upload. Choose a clean, high-contrast image from your computer and wait for it to appear in the preview. Make sure the background is light and the signature is easy to read. If needed, crop or adjust as allowed by the uploader so the signature fills the space neatly. Take a moment to review the preview. Ensure the spelling, style, and readability match what you want to use going forward. If you need to switch methods, draw, type, or upload, you can click another option and adjust before confirming. Click Adopt and Sign, as this confirms you're adopting the new signature style for your account. In this context, Adopt and Sign doesn't sign any document. It simply applies your chosen signature so Docusign can use it when you sign in the future. If you see a prompt to confirm, accept it to continue. Wait for the editor to finish updating and return you to the signature settings view. Click Save. This step finalizes the change. Look for the Save button on the page and click it once. If there's a brief spinner or confirmation message, let it complete. Saving ensures your updated Docusign signature is stored to your profile and will automatically appear the next time you place a signature in an envelope. At this point, your Docusign signature has been successfully changed and updated. The next time you open a document to sign, your new signature will be the one that appears. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.